Hello and welcome back to part 3 of Inc Overhaul. And what? It says you left the game.
I'm still here.
The fuck? Oh well. Toss me the brick.
Oh, I left the brick.
See?
Damn it.
There you go. I knew that was gonna happen. Well, anyway. He's going to set a brick down on this thing. And it's going to... Damn it. Yes. He's going to toss a brick onto that. And it's going to open these up, and then we go in for testing.
Boom.
Test associate activated.
Why does it have to end on him?
Huh? Someone is finally in here? It has been a while since a live human has been here. Ever since ADY started, it's a real shame. Anyway, I'm the test associate and have one job. I have to test you, not as easy as you might think. Well, due to some changes in the complex, we have an issue. I have to test you in the nether. Yes, the place ADY is coming from, trust me. I discovered the dimension, you'll be fine. Now again, you are not testing in Inc West. I am sending you to the Inc West Nether Center. It is obvious what it is part of the nether. It is owned by Inc West people. Alright, I have to get this giant portal set up now. The reason it is so big is because it's an early version of the nether portal. Luckily, every other portal you may go through has been simplified to be smaller. Oh, I need to stop talking and get this done. Anyway, once you're done testing, I don't know. I lost the paper telling me what to do with subjects. After they conclude testing, oh well. Now you go down and I'll get the portal set up. Whee!
I thought we were free falling. I was saying this is a really long free fall.
Free fall, yeah, I know. And then you look up and it's, oh, there's ladders. Okay. Nether portal. Holy fucking...
How do you get that?
What the f... Get out of my head!
We gotta try that. See if that actually works.
What the f... What the f... What?!
We gotta see if that actually works.
I think it's probably something done with this map, because if you try it regularly, it doesn't work.
To the nether.
It's too fucking huge.
Screw the nether. Screw...
I think that'd hurt.
I want to start playing this song.
Oof.
Screw the nether.
Okay. Chapter 2, A Change of Pace. Here we are. Well, jump on down to start the test. Don't take too long. We have a lot to do, so hurry.
Ow, that hurt. Fuck you. Oh, great.
How do they get it to do that? Where the water just kind of stays there.
Oh.
Ooh, the first test, always the hardest in my opinion. I'm looking at some camera footage in the way it seems you came here from the EPSR test. Why were you there if the world hasn't even ended yet? Forget it. Hello. Damn it. So close!
The fuck?
Aha! I'm not the only one.
I was so close to the end, like a block away from the end. That's bull. Oh my god, I didn't make it to the first block that fell. I hate parkour.
Damn it!
Parkour sucks balls.
Your voice cracked when you said that.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
But shit, I'm breaking the computer. My W key don't work sometimes. Oh my god.
What the f- I was on it and then I fell off.
My W key doesn't work very well. Sick. Good thing hit shift.
I really hate you. I hope you fall.
And if I don't. Ah!
Rage much?
I was the last block and it pushed me off. Right there. I jumped and then boom, I fell.
Aha! I made it! Yes! Aha, I'm awesome.
I'm gonna go hack.
Yay, you did it. Now we go on. Not sure how many tests there are, though.
Shit!
I will check. Be right back. Well, there are more than I thought. Anyway, you need to find a button on the wall in the next room. Hit that button and run under a hole in the ceiling. I swear to God, if I get smashed under something, I would be so pissed.
Where the hell do you see a button? Oh, there's a button. Oh, great. Bunch of pistons.
What?
Oh my God. Where do we go? Through the nether.
I have no fucking idea.
What the hell? There's no sign right here.
I have to find a button.
There it is. I pushed it.
Eh.
I found all that. Whoa, whoa, what is that?
Oh, shit.
That was sand. I made it. Good job.
Oh.
Oh, now there's something we can walk up. Please wait 60 seconds in the next room.
I'm coming. It's like a bad feeling about that.
There's only a bunch of dispensers. Wait approximately 1 minute.
Immediately looks for a way out.
Oh, this whole base is taking forever. Punch it at last. There's chest below us. There's a chest.
Hmm.
Oh.
Oh, I picked up a piece. There you go.
I can't make those things though. Oh. I didn't
Okay, so we found the button. We just took time to go back through them again. Congrats on not being stupid. I like that in people. This next room has been weird lately, so be careful.
Oh my God.
Fuck me.
Go 20 seconds.
There is a 3x3x3 hole in the ground. How much dirt is in it? 9. Wait. 3, 3, 3. Yeah, 9. Maybe not. Wait. 3 by 3.
What's 9 times 3?
I was gonna say.
Because 3 times 3 is 9 times another 3.
Duh.
27, right?
I just hit that. Why didn't it open?
What?
Whoa!
Is it none?
Wait, go back here, watch.
There's none. There's no dirt. What? I found another.
Yeah, so that. Oh, duh! How much dirt is in it? It's just said there's a hole. It didn't say how much.
Oh my God.
Woo! I'm alive!
I thought I said sand.
Oh, what's this say? This says, see, the test is broken. Not only that, but some of the wiring. Some of the wiring around here just had a little meltdown, and some stuff got destroyed. Anyways, go under here and find a way out of the nether. I need to get you safer tests this isn't going to work.
I'm stuck. Oh my god.
There we go.
Screw this fucking.
Now which we go down here, I guess.
There's signs all over the place. There's signs over. Of course I fucking make it.
Is there signs over there too?
Yeah.
Damn it. Man, you really screwed this place up. Smooth. This has only happened once before another person died. Oh wait, I'm supposed to motivate you, aren't I? Sorry. Cafeteria and portal. Welcome to sector A/G72 lowest floor. Kitchen obsidian. Something. I'm going this way.
I'm hungry.
He's gonna go get food. I'm gonna go check out this crap. Obsidian manufacturing.
There's stuff cooking.
Place lava down here. Place lava down here. Place lava down here. Place lava down here. Pickaxes. Fine. Planning on making obsidian, I see. We'll just make sure you have save the water blocks in the kitchen for this. We save the water blocks. Water buckets, don't worry.
Bowls.
Work here or something. Just a bit weird, I guess.
Water blocks.
Lava chute activation button. Check lava tubes.
There's gravel in this.
Place
There's
water
coal
here.
there. Cool. Iron ore.
Mm.
I want to open this one, but you can't break blocks.
Okay, there's bowls in here, there's water in here.
It's a water block. Hallway to sector F. You know it's a sink, right?
Yeah, I know.
Or just put water in there. Insert instant portal transportation. Let's go! My
Okay.
part, give me my part. Away! This is a slow minecart.
Yeah. Let me go see if I can get obsidian online.
I'm in a minecart.
Warning, tube if check lava tubes if not working properly. Warning, known to malfunction.
Oh, that's the end. Uh-oh, looks like the portal is busted. Okay, try to rebuild the portal and find a way to light it. It should take you back to some harder tests because you are just too good at these easy ones. Well, I'll start building the test before you get here and see ya when I see. We need 1, 2, 3, 4 obsidian blocks and cones. Flint. Oh, great.
This is gonna end badly. You're not in your cart. It's just an empty cart.
You're in the cart and you're going backwards. We need obsidian blocks.
Well, the thing's malfunctioning.
We gotta fix it. Goodbye, minecart.
You did quite a bit of damage to this place, didn't you? Good thing there aren't people to scold you for it.
What are we supposed to do?
I don't know.
You put water in this?
I just noticed this area. It's like, okay, it's blowing up.
Please follow me down here, down here, down. Place water here. Place water here. Oh, did you place water there?
Hang on a minute. I'm getting 3 buckets to get lava.
I'll take the most.
Ooh. Okay, how many lavas do I need?
4.
Alright,
There's
so
another bucket up this right there. We need steel. Oh, wait a minute. Wait, we need flint. Doesn't gravel make flint?
yeah.
Wait, do we need a shovel?
What do you mean?
There we go.
Silver. No, put the iron back in.
I'll be quiet. I know what to do. Wait, it must be iron ore or
Iron ingot.
Oh, that's a thing though.
Try using the thing in the kitchen.
That's what I'm doing.
There we go. How many water did you set down?
0. Wait till it's done. Slime still looks like a Zippo. Yes, it's a Zippo.
Okay, I placed the lava down. Place water in.
Oh shit. No. That works. But we're at 9 minutes.
Oh, thank God, that was annoying.
Oh, great. Can you throw down a block when you're done?